Forest, Olympic National Park. It's a rainforest. It's raining, y'all. It's really, really raining. I ain't even lying. I know you can probably hear it. We just spent the night at the beach yesterday. Woke up this morning, went to the tide pools, found starfish, sea anemones, urchins, crabs, everything. Now we're on our way to the rainforest, which is only what, 2 miles maybe from the beach, walking.
Yeah. Maybe it's that.
And it's literally a natural rainforest in America. 12 inches of rain a year.
12 feet of rain.
Oh, 12 feet of rain, excuse me. Now we're going to see this huge
it's right
cedar tree. And the tree is huge. Super huge.
Oh, hi, baby.
I know we had trees like this in San Diego. Yeah. Looks bigger than a redwood.
It is.
Oh, yeah.
Dad, I bet you can get off there.
I don't know why they don't make play structures like this, natural ones for kids with trees. Look at that. Kids could climb up this, just put a little rubber thing on the bottom. We're good.
I wonder what the heck. I don't think it's over there. Go through there.
Get in there, get in there.
Oh, she's up.
Inside of a tree.
Have you ever climbed a tree inside the tree?
Have you ever seen a chick inside the tree? Down by the bay, down by the bay. Where the big trees grow. So there probably were watermelons growing by the bay then when they sing that song.
Probably. Hi, Mom. Hi. Oh, I can't get up.
Oh, wow. She's really up in the tree, huh? Oh, dang. Where'd the baby go?
I don't know. Should be right around here somewhere.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh, he's right there.
Hi, Don. Don Devon.
Ready?
Dundee, is this crazy?
I can't.
Stuck in a tree where you should not go. Should have stayed on the path you already know. For if you don't, you could get stuck
I don't want to get
in a big old tree, split up tree, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow.
Then yeah, I have to go down.
Oh, that's a Tarzan rope for real. Did you jump on the baby?
Whoa, those trees in there.
No, she didn't.
Go in. Come on. Go in there.
Ah!
I tried to make the baby go in there.
You don't want to go in, Don?
Come on, let's go, Don. Come on, let's go in there.
Don Devon.
Oh.
Don Devon, where you want to go?
Where do you want
Want
to
to go in
down?
there? Come on, let's go in there.
Here,
Come on,
hold this.
let's go.
We can. I'm gonna climb up there.
Okay.
Go.
Go. Go in.
It's more slippery to climb in these shoes than my sandals.
It's because your sandals are rubber. Rubber.
Woo.
My dad's climbing up there, trying to get to there.
This is Tarzan for real.
Tarzan couldn't even do that.
No, that's why I had to be a Zulu.
Jump off.
Tarzan is nothing compared to Shaka Zulu.
No.
Shaka Zulu would kill Tarzan in a second.
In one. No, one.
He's a true African
Oh, this
warrior.
is a slippery tree.
0 seconds, actually.
Real strength, real pride. Zulu tribe. dang. You can live up here.
Hey, Dundee.
I grabbed a minute.
Whoa.
Don't break our camera a little so I'm trying to climb up here. Oh, this tree is ridiculous. I can see how they built tree houses now. It will keep you away from all the predators, except the ones that can climb, but then when they're climbing,
Oh. Oh. Dundee's climbing up right now, guys.